Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Creating your very own resin clock is a fantastic way to bring a unique, artistic flair into your home. This updated guide for 2025 will walk you through the latest techniques, ensuring your finished piece looks incredibly professional. We'll cover everything from material selection to the final shine, making sure you achieve that stunning, personalized centerpiece you envision. Get ready to transform ordinary resin into an extraordinary functional art piece. For an updated resin clock, start with a high-quality, low-VOC art resin from a reputable brand. These newer formulas cure quickly and offer stunning clarity, making your work easier and safer. You'll also need a durable silicone mold sized for your desired clock face. Don't forget a smooth-running clock mechanism, plus any pigments, glitter, or dried flowers you plan to embed for that personal touch. Gathering these essentials ensures a successful project. Preparing your workspace is crucial. Ensure it's clean and well ventilated. When pouring, always begin with a thin base layer of clear resin, then gently add your pigments or inclusions. Our updated layering technique suggests pouring in multiple thin layers, allowing each to partially cure before adding the next. This method is fantastic for preventing excessive heat buildup and significantly reducing those frustrating tiny bubbles, leading to a much clearer finish. Once your final resin layer is poured, it's time for curing. For the best and quickest results, consider using an advanced UV lamp or a pressure pot, depending on your resin type. After it's fully hardened, this can take anywhere from a few hours to 24 hours. Carefully demold your beautiful clock face. Then, simply drill a small hole if necessary and securely attach your chosen clock mechanism and hands. Your functional art is almost ready to display. A crucial tip for 2025 resins is always to measure your resin and hardener precisely by weight. Accuracy prevents sticky cures. Also, mix slowly and deliberately to avoid incorporating too many air bubbles. Never rush the curing process, as patience ensures a hard, durable finish. By paying attention to these details and avoiding common errors, you will create a stunning, long-lasting resin clock that perfectly captures your unique artistic vision. Enjoy your new masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.